Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to solve unallocated disk error, fix corrupted pen drive and USB flash drive. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list disk. Select your USB or pen drive. Type clean. Type create partition primary. Type format space, fs equal to ntfs space, quick. Second method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Right-click, click New Simple Volume. Quick Format, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.